Okay.
Mahirap. Baliktad.
Tama. Hiram ko lang.
Tandaran, your camera. Okay na, ikaw na.
Ito. Ha? At charging cable, battery, adhesive mount, and locking screw, quick release.
Ano to?
Sa nilagay yan sa helmet.
Okay.
Battery, charging port, card slot.
Yeah, my GoPro is like that.
Yeah. Then on and off this one record button, long press to power on. To connect, ma'am, open mo yung Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location data. Tapos punta ka ng GoPro Quick.
Sir,
Okay na. Nandun sa card.
we got it. The GoPro.
Your GoPro.
GoPro.
Your GoPro. This is so handy. Yeah.
It's better overall. Yeah, because it's more
it's
diverse.
better
Like the
for
other
cell
cameras.
phone.
No, I mean the other camera was nice, but this is better for like
Ayan na siya.
the
Connect.
traveling adventure and stuff.
Actually, lahat na ito mga ganda to. Kaya magsisisi dyan. Connected na siya. So, yung Bluetooth pa lang yan. So,